I'm Phoenix Wright, the lawyer with the biggest, strongest legs in the courtroom. Yes, a gunshot is certainly something you wouldn't expect to hear. Which is why, upon hearing the shots, we forced our way into the channeling chamber. I forced my way in by breaking down the door, but... Ms. Miney, she immediately covered her own costume with blood. And pretended to be Maya Fey. But that sort of deception would have been easy to see through.
Did she just whip the picture?
Yeah. Which is precisely why Ms. Morgan Fey chased us out.
Please leave this area to me. Go quickly and inform the police.
Such a serene voice.
Hurry! Before there... Oh, right. Hurry! Before there are more victims here. God.
Abrupt change.
Wait, by the way.
What is one supposed to say?
Not guilty, Your Honor. This is the real truth behind this murder. Ha! Probably her.
Who is that? Laughing at a time like this?
Oh, you simple-minded fools. I'm sorry, are you still by chance evolving?
That's not how evolution works.
What is it this time?
Ms. Von Karma. Surely.
Of course it was me. I did the murder. Do you really think someone of Von Karma blood would lose due to something this petty?
Yes.
What in the world? Mr. Phoenix Wright, your argument is flawed in one very crucial area. And that is... if this witness is the real murderer, why would she go through all this trouble? Huh? Working together with a medium, pretending to be one, putting on this whole act? What reason would she have to do such foolish things?
To pin someone else, jeez.
Eh? Well, that's,
Thinking the Occam's razor argument? What?
Yeah, that's right. That's exactly what I was gonna say. Oh, and one other thing. Why would Miss Eenie Miney want to kill Dr. Gray? Where is her motive? Yeah, that's exactly what I wanted to say too.
Her motive is pretty
Yeah,
obvious.
motive! I don't have a motive! Motive? That's... I can't say she has no motive here.
Also, like, if Eenie Miney doesn't have a motive, then what's Maya's motive?
Yeah.
Like...
I have to think of a motive now. What is her reason for wanting Dr. Gray dead?
what
Why could she
could
possibly?
be?
The reason you wanted Dr. Gray dead is this.
A newspaper article about her
My
sister.
badge.
Probably.
But which one?
Because
Oh,
I'm
wait,
a
this
nerd.
one.
The other one. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
Okay. Take that! Ha! Just as I thought. You bore me with your silly answers, Phoenix Wright. Just great. Now even she is calling me by my full name. You think I did this to get revenge for my sister's death? Yes. Because through that accident, you suffered a lot of hurt and pain yourself. Don't be stupid. No one has proof that Dr. Gray drugged my sister, right? And you want to say I wanted to take revenge based on nothing?
What do you mean by that?
Senile, stupid Gramps. I'm, going to explain. So, please listen, okay? It's been over half a year since I was discharged from the hospital. if I, like, wanted revenge, then, like, I wouldn't have waited this long. And besides, like, the guy that thought of the spirit thing was, like, Dr. Gray. It was, like, a total coincidence he asked me about it, you know? She's back to her airhead persona. However, you see, ouch! Pathetic, Mr. Phoenix Wright. You failed to support your own theory. The end.
I think we have our answer, Mr. Phoenix Wright. What Ms. Miney has stated is very true. The revenge plan is overly complicated, and she has no motive in the first place. Furthermore, there is no reason for Ms. Morgan Fay to cooperate with this plan. You don't even have any truly decisive pieces of evidence to demonstrate your point.
Damn.
So many faults, Mr. Phoenix Wright. You should really learn your place. What?
Psychic damage.
What happened? I thought I had her for sure. The writers really got creative with the spelling of the nonverbal sounds in this case, and I am suffering for it. See, like, it's just as I, like, told you. I hope you liked your slice of humble pie.
Very well, I now conclude the cross-examination of Ms. Eenie Miney.
Your Honor, please allow the defense one more minute. Just one.
Suddenly it's timed.
All right.
That was easy.
You can't lose here. Have faith in yourself, Phoenix.
You very well can lose here, but you can still have faith.
Mia.
Yes, it does sound like a ridiculously messed up plan for a murder. But you know, regardless, that girl trained for this crime.
Really?
What?
Secretly an assassin.
She went to school to study all of this.
Like, while you were going to court, I, like, studied the blade.
Listen, Phoenix. Everything happens for a reason. There is a reason for why she had to kill Dr. Gray. Yeah. It is also the reason she had no choice but to kill him in this fashion.
Time is up, Mr. Wright. Your final answer, please.
What is Eenie Miney did the killing?
If you want to say that you can prove Ms. Miney had a motive, then why did she kill the victim in this way? Can you provide the reason?
Can I really do this?
No, I cannot.
can't.
Nope, it's over.
That's the same sense of humor as when you're 5 and you said, "No, we can't" to the Bob the Builder theme song.
I'm sure I did that until I was like 10 or 11, at least.
Universal.
I would probably still do it.
Me too.
I am not totally confident here, but I know that I must press on no matter what.
That's all. Nix, only you can do this now.
I will show and substantiate the fact that Ms. Miney had a motive.
Lie like a
Damn.
dog, Phoenix.
That was like the most courtroom talk Phoenix has ever done.
Too
Fucking
bad.
substantiate.
You're too late.
Sorry.
You're
It's
good.
been a minute.
My cross-examination has already ended, after all. Eek!
What?
Interesting. I'll let you have your chance, Mr. Phoenix Wright.
That's your
What?
place.
You're supposed to be on my side!
Hmm.
Ah! A Von Karma only cares about the perfect win. As long as you have the will to fight, I will knock you down, Mr. Phoenix Wright.
Oh, that rhymed.
That rhymed, yeah.
I'm a poet, and I didn't know it. And I don't care if you are my witness. So help me, I will throw you out of my way.
God damn.
No way!
Very well.
And this is different from being defiant, but like, okay.
The court will take a 5-minute recess. We will continue the cross-examination after we reconvene.
Hey! Wait a sec here! Please no Pearl. Please no Pearl. Please no Pearl. Please don't let Pearl show back up and have to tell her this.
Probably just gonna be Maya upset about the fact that her aunt committed murder.
Maybe so.
Because Maya is also here and is also related to Morgan.
Yeah.
Oh no! Guys.
Well,
Got it in what?
Listen, Pearl is 8. That's why I'm worried.
Is it really true about my aunt?
I'm afraid so, Maya. There is no way Eni could have killed Dr. Gray by herself. And under the circumstances, there's no one else other than your aunt, Morgan.
That's terrible. Why? Why would my aunt?
Francisca?
That
Probably.
would be my guess.
Everything is going just as I predicted, Mr. Phoenix Wright. Look at her!
I love her.
I
news,
love
right?
her.
I love her.
Miss Von Karma! Why are you doing this? Why are you trying to take revenge on Nick? Nick had nothing to do with what happened to your dad.
Well,
Like, alright.
you know.
Ultimately, Von Karma being an asshole is Von Karma's fault.
Yeah,
Von
but
Karma being a
Phoenix
murderer
was
is
still
Von Karma's fault.
involved.
Don't you have something better to be worrying about? Say, your own situation?
Oh.
Looking down on me, even though we're the same age.
I mean, her sprite is extremely tall.
Yeah. She's
Dang.
definitely wearing heels, though.
Yeah.
Thinking about how they're my age.
I think they're younger than
Damn.
us.
A
They're
little
18.
bit.
Yeah.
But like
Their baby.
they were 18 when I was 18.
Oh, okay. I just, had several,
Yeah.
heart attacks being like, wait, is Sabine 18?
No. No.
I didn't think so, but,
Oh,
I may
God,
have
no.
to reevaluate everything I know.
No, as in
Right.
Maya's 16 in 2016.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Are you done yet? You've caused me enough pain and suffering. Not yet. My goal is to defeat you, and let the whole world know of your defeat. But even if you do that, it won't bring your father back.
I'm sure the whole world really, really cares about what happens to Phoenix Wright.
I care.
Whatever. In the meantime, let's bring this match to its conclusion. And then we'll know who the real winner is.
She is pointing.
She point.
Wow, this trial is whack as hell.
Court will now reconvene. Mr. Wright,
Yes, Your Honor?
can you prove Ms. Eenie Miney had a motive?
Yes, I believe I can. Eenie Miney and Dr. Gray have only one point of connection, and that is the car accident 1 year ago. The motive I'm looking for must be there. Ms. Miney, please testify to this court about your car accident last year. Huh? I thought, you wanted to, ask about my, motive. I, don't see the point in, bringing up the past.
Ms. Miney, if you please,
Okay. Like, I totally don't think it'll do any good, but... That was, like, last year in May. Like, something really bad had happened at, like, my sister's clinic around then. And, like, the night of the accident, my sis was totally tired while she was driving. I was, like, totally pooped too, so I, like, fell asleep in the passenger seat. I, like, woke up because of a jolt, and, like, it was a sea of flames around me. I, like, opened the door and, like, got away.
I think I've heard of this incident.
It was all the talk on the tabloid shows day after day last year.
Yes, and there was talk about Dr. Gray drugging your sister. Gah!
Those were merely rumors. Totally baseless gossip.
Yes. Mr. Wright, you may question the witness.
Right now, it's impossible to prove that Dr. Gray did, in fact, drug Miss Miney's sister.
Yeah, which means I'll have to work this from another angle. Hold it! Didn't some sort of medical malpractice happen at your sister's hospital then? Yeah, like, that was in May too. Like, the thing with all the patients dying was, like, May 2nd. And, like, our accident was, like, on the 24th. 2 accidents back to back. Do you assume it's just a coincidence? My sis was, like, totally tired, so that's why. Duh. Hold it! That was the malpractice incident where 14 patients died, correct? Yeah. What was the cause of the mistake? Like, I heard it was because the medicines, like, got mixed up.
Yikes.
Was that the fault of your sister, Mimi Miney? I do not like these dead people faces that I'm just now seeing. Like, no way! Dr. Gray, like, wanted to blame it on my sis. Objection! That incident has nothing to do with our murder here. Besides, the police report has already documented that it was entirely Mimi Miney's fault. Which means, as far as the real facts are concerned, Mimi Miney is the one who made the mistake. But, like, it really wasn't my sis. Hold it! She was totally tired? You mean exhausted? Like, she had to talk to the police and, like, was being investigated, like, every day. It was, like, a totally terrible situation. It's no wonder, then, that the car accident happened, huh?
Press harder.
Keep going.
So then, why didn't you ask to switch places? Huh? Like, what are you talking about? I can't fucking drive. I meant switch drivers. If your sister was so tired, then you should have switched with her.
That's safe
True,
driving.
true.
But
Wait, how do you
like,
know this? You haven't taken driver's ed.
I don't, like, have a driver's license.
Bitch.
Phoenix is like, oh, hey, me too.
This is news to me. I was not aware you didn't have your license, Miss Miney.
Ms. Miney, please amend your testimony.
Like,
Mention that you're a
okay.
scrub who doesn't have a license.
Anyway,
Cole, this is a call-out post.
I feel attacked.
Also call out post for Phoenix rights.
hold it. The accident happened at night, correct? Yeah, like, it was at, like, 1 a.m. or so, I think. I had, like, a paper due, like, really soon. So, like, I hadn't slept and was working, like, real hard. So it was because the two of you were so tired that this accident happened. Hold it! And your sister? What happened to her? I didn't see her. The car was, like, totally black, and there was, like, a ton of smoke. I, like, totally had, like, no clue what was going on. Hold it! Please tell us about your escape in more detail. I, like, kept wanting to forget that time, so, like, I don't remember things about the accident in, like, detail anymore.
Well, it's alright. No need to push yourself.
I think I, like, gave an interview after the accident. Like, that would probably be the most accurate, you know? If it's that article, then I've already got it. I, like, didn't have my license, so, like, I couldn't take over driving for her. Hold it! And that's why you were in the passenger seat? Like, yeah.
Like, no fucking shit.
I was, like, at my college's research lab till, like, really late. So my sis was, like, giving me a ride home. I see.
Phoenix,
Yes?
you can't do this. You're being too easy on her.
Whoop her ass.
Badger her more.
Go for the throat, Phoenix.
There's gotta be some sort of secret sleeping in this testimony.
Steal Francisca's whip.
Just
Yes,
fucking
so let's
run
find
across
that.
the courtroom.
Let's find that one whip, that one crushing contradiction, and end this.
Well,
We
Yes,
have a
fucking
license.
I think we all
now.
fucking know that she has a license.
We do be kind of out here knowing things.
Ma'am, I have your license. I own it.
It's mine.
Mine now.
Objection!
Don't worry about where I got it, though.
Please
Yeah,
don't.
super duper, don't worry about it.
Please don't have a flashback to us getting it.
Oh god.
Ms. Miney, that was a lame lie just now.
It's not very
What the
cool,
fuck?
Miss Miney.
Like, what do you mean? I thought it was pretty cool. I know you had a license back then. This is a photo you took for the express purpose of getting a driver's license.
Hang on.
What is the meaning of this, Ms. Miney?
I'm gonna get a full glam shoot done for my driver's license.
Why not?
That's right. Yeah, I had, like, a license, but I didn't get it until after the accident. No, you had it. You had it at the time of the accident. Director Hottie, or the guy pretending to be him anyway, said so. What? Are you talking
Yeah.
about that perverted fake clinic director? Unfortunately. Yes, that perverted fake clinic director. And how did you know? Ouch! No one cares.
I don't know about that.
Witness, when did you receive your driver's license? Like, last November? What? November? The accident happened last May. That's a half-year lapse in time, Mr. Phoenix Wright. What in the?
What in the...
Fuck.
That's what happened, Mr. Wright.
You
Fuck
spilled
him.
lipstick in my Valentino white bag?
At the time of the accident, Ms. Miney did not have a driver's license.
Irk. Ow! Cry, and my whip will accommodate.
Anyway, without a license, the witness and her sister could not have switched drivers. At least not legally.
I'm, like, glad you get it, but,
Do you have a permit? Because then they could.
like, even if I had my license, I, like, don't think my sis would've, like, let me drive. Yow!
Wait. Don't just
I think
stand
you
there
just smacked him.
into yourself. No, she stole the whip.
Not you too, Mia, with the whip, and the pain, and the ow.
Pulled off the Magatama.
Holy shit, that'll take your eye out.
His ass with it.
Miss Miney, why do you think you would have not been allowed to drive anyway?
That's because...
I think this situation calls for a more detailed testimony, Ms. Miney, if you please.
Like, how annoying. Oops, like, sorry. Didn't mean to be mean.
Mm-hmm.
Didn't mean to be... mine-y. That was nothing, I'm so sorry.
Didn't mean to be meanie.
Like, oh
Didn't
my
mean
god,
to
yeah,
be
the meanie would have been so much better. God damn
A
it.
little bit.
Like, around that time, I was, like, really close to getting my license. My sis was, like, this totally big fan of cars and, like, really valued them. She, like, had just gotten this really shiny, bright red sports car. She, like, would say things like, "No way am I letting a noob drive my car." A noob. So, like, that's why I ended up in the passenger seat that night, too. Edgeworth
it's
has
not your
said that
car,
to other
you should
people.
not drive.
I mean, apparently Edgeworth can drift into a parking spot. So.
If the enemy is to be believed.
I see. A bright red car for sport. I am a car
Good
person.
job, Judge.
Now then, the defense may question the witness.
Can I question you?
Definitely not about how sick cars are.
I'm not terribly knowledgeable about cars, but...
Probably no more than the
You
judge.
aren't? I mean, does the judge have a driver's license?
Hold it!
Swings everywhere.
So what do you mean by really close? Like, I had one of those permit things. I think that's what they're called.
See, she had a permit, so it would have been legal for her to drive.
Permit? Wow, the big name lawyer boy doesn't even know what a driver's permit is?
Boyer.
I mean, he's never had one.
Well, this lawyer never had a permit.
Exactly.
Ignorance is to be whipped.
What?
What is with her? All she's said in the last few
Oh.
minutes is utter nonsense.
Love to have whipped
Me too.
ignorance on my hot chocolate.